Hello, my name is Chris Blewett from miGenius. In this video clip we want to show you how easily and quickly we can create a reality server website from scratch using the EasyRS application libraries. This session picks up after you have assembled the necessary source files from your 3D content creation system and zip them up into a single file for easier uploading to the GPU server. On this first page we need to give your application creation session a name. In this case we will simply call it My New Apartment, and then we use the Select File button to locate the zip file you have created earlier. Then we upload this file to the server. After uploading, we are asked if we want to view the scene now or come back to this part later. We choose Yes to go on. Now we have a viewport that is processing an initial view of the scene, which amongst other items will confirm that we have the right files loaded. But to save time, we will simply click the Create Application button, which will take us straight to the website creation page. Across the top of this next page, you'll notice a set of 6 command groupings shown as buttons. And as we click on each one, you should notice a change in the string of names in the darker box area just below. Going back to the viewport group, we then click and drag the iRay viewport item onto our gridded workspace below. This creates our primary camera viewport. We can now simply move and resize this viewport to suit. Then clicking on the Controls button, we can pick and drag various camera controls onto our template, starting with f-stop slider, field of view control, and then the saved camera control. All of these items can also be easily moved or resized at any time. Then we simply jump straight to the Navigation Modes button, where we can select various camera movement control functions, starting with the mouse look, the mouse pan, then mouse walk, and finally the mouse orbit around. As we reposition these navigation buttons on our workspace to make the application look neater, we have now already completed our first reality server application website that can now be immediately shared with any number of your friends or colleagues anywhere in the world. And all of this in just a few minutes and with an easy to use online interface creation tool set. Clicking on the toolbox icon of any item, we can simply change various attributes of that item. Before launching our new application, we need to save this particular version of the new application with a new name. Here we choose My Apartment 03. Now we press the test button to view this version on the GPU server. But firstly, a message box appears providing us with the link details if we firstly just want to share this application for comment or review internally before launching the site publicly. Otherwise, we just click Load. So here it is, our own brand new and live reality server website, showing real-time views of our new apartment detail. Firstly, we will wait a few seconds to let the iRay renderer converge the lighting elements and sharpen up our view of the scene detail. Then, using our inserted camera control tools, we will first move the camera forward and let the appearance of the scene detail refine again. Then we will orbit the camera outside as we view various external parts of the building and end up viewing into the attached garden area. This is exactly the same experience for anyone else we invite to remotely examine and explore our new apartment. To view this detail from anywhere in the world, these people only need their own online connected screen-based device and any standard web browser capable of viewing Adobe Flash content. Now showing our other camera control tools working, we firstly adjust the field of view as we narrow our view into the garden area. and then adjust the exposure level with the f-stop control. Then we will use our Save Camera tool to create a new saved camera location called, in this case, Garden 03, which will not only retain the camera position and view angle, but also all the other camera attributes set at the time of this save. Now we will close this test web page and return to the UI creation page to view additional capabilities of the EasyRS toolset. We would like to finish here with a very brief description of some of the other functions offered in the EasyRS application set. Firstly, rather than placing tool items individually, you can place them as sets, as we show here. Then we can place library access panels to allow the users to also interactively place 3D objects, light fittings, and accurate materials. We can also place a sun control tool to let users view the scenes with a variety of physically accurate sun-sky settings. We can even change the background color of the application, or a little later on introduce image backgrounds. And to emphasize the very important cloud computing aspect of this system, we have set up a somewhat fictional deployment function to highlight the services of two major players in this emerging industry sector. Thank you for watching this video.